We are going to start all four Mysore wars of India. Okay. So first Anglo-Mysore War has taken place in 1767 to 1769. Hyder Ali enjoyed some measure of success against British, almost capturing Madras. The British convinced Nizam Ali Khan to attack Ali. That was temporary, however, and the Nizam signed a new treaty with British in February 1768. Ali had to contend with the British Bombay Army attacking from the west and Madras Army attacking from northeast. However, Ali's attack towards Madras resulted in the Madras government suing for peace and the resultant Treaty of Madras. Second Anglo-Mysore War, 1780 to 1784, witnessed bolder battles with fortunes fluctuating between consulting powers. Ali defeated William Belly at the Battle of Pollilur, September 1780. John Braithwaite and Kubakonam in February 1782, both of whom were taken prisoner to Srirangpatnam. This war saw the comeback of Sir Ayerkut. This is very important. Sir Ayerkut in second Anglo-Mysore War. The British commanders who defeated Ali at the Battle of Porto Novo. Porto Novo, very important battle, defeated by the Ayerkut to the Hyder Ali. Tipu continued the war following his father's death. Finally, the war ended with the signing a Treaty of Mangalore. Treaty of Mangalore ended the second war of Anglo-Mysore Yuddh, which has taken place in 1780 to 1784. Then, after Treaty of Mangalore on 11 March 1784, which restored the status quo ante bellum. The Treaty of Gajendragarh in April 1787 ended the conflict with the Maratha when Warren Hastings was Governor General of India during the Second Anglo-Mysore War. So Warren Hastings was the Governor General in the time of Second Anglo-Mysore War. Then Third Anglo-Mysore War, taken place 1790 to 1792. Tipu, now an ally of France, he has taken ally nation of the France also, invaded the nearby kingdom of Travancore. A British ally in 1789, the British forces were commanded by Charles Cornwallis. So, in this time, Charles Cornwallis was the commander. The resulting war lasted 3 years and was a resounding defeat for Mysore. The war ended after the 1792 siege of Srirangpatnam and the signing Treaty of the Srirangpatnam, according to which Tipu had to surrender half of his kingdom to the British East India Company. So in Third War, you can find half of his kingdom he has to give to the British India Company, and Cornwallis was commander on that time, and Srirangpatnam, Treaty of Srirangpatnam has taken place. In second, you can see Treaty of Mangalore. In third, Treaty of Srirangpatnam. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, taken 1798 to 1799, saw the death of Tipu and further reduction in Mysore territory. Mysore's alliance with the French was seen as a threat to East Indian Company, and Mysore was attacked from our four sides. Mysore had 35,000 soldiers, where the British commanded 60,000 troops. Nizam Ali Khan and the Marathas launched the invasion from north. The British won the decisive victory at the siege of Srirangpatnam 1799. Tipu was killed during the defense of the city. Much of the remaining Mysore territory was annexed by British. The Nizam and the Marathas, the remaining core around Mysore and Srirangpatnam, were restored to the Indian Prince Yuvraj Krishnaraj Vadegar III. Later, Maharaja Krishnaraj Vadegar, under his grandmother's regency, members of the Vodrai dynasty had been power before Ali became de facto ruler. The Vodiyar ruler remained Kingdom of Mysore until 1947, when it enjoyed dominant status. So in fourth Mysore War, Tipu Sultan has died. After the Battle of Plassey 1577 and Buxar 1764, which established British dominance over East India, and Anglo-Mysore War 1767 to 99, Anglo-Maratha War 1775 to 1819, and finally the Anglo-Sikh Wars 1845 to 1849 consolidated the British claim over South Asia. Resulting the British Empire in India, those resistance among various groups such as Afghans and Burmese would last well to in 1880s. Okay? So you can find here some pictures. uh, First and Second Anglo-Mysore War related information. Okay? British dominion Mysore states. In this region you can find Mysore state. Okay, and these were the British dominion. Okay, on that time. Then Third Anglo-Mysore War, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, 1793 का map, 1800 का map. ठीक है, by this we have learned all Mysore wars. Okay.